Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. So today is one of the most interesting videos I love watching, and I did this video 1 year back on my channel and it's high time I should do it again. So it's the favorite video I like watching is what's in my bag. So I have seen so many videos on this, like, people, what all interesting things they carry, and I really want to know what the other woman or a girl is carrying in her bag. So today we'll reveal what all I carry in my bag. So I went ahead with my same handbag, the one which I showed you last year, if you are following me since then. So this is my Vera Moda big huge black bag. It's a plain bag and it has a little textured work here, and then you have a back zip, and then inside you have these small pockets here, and then you have this one small chain here. That's it. And then it's a huge bag and you can dump anything inside. It's a big spacious bag. You can get these bags, like Vera Moda bags now are available on Myntra and Jabong also. When I bought this, I think they started selling handbags, and this was one of the best gifts from my husband. So really love this, using this bag. I have bought some more bags. I'll be doing a wholesome video on my handbag and bags collection where you'll come to know what all I have. So let's straight away jump into the bag. Enough of blabbering. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll show you the small pockets, and then I'll jump into my bigger one and reveal what all is there. Now these are some standard things which I always carry in my bag. So okay, let's see what's there. Okay, so in my small pockets I have a lip balm, which is like a necessity for us and we cannot stay without it. So this is there. Then I have an inhaler, which is always there, like inhalers and nasal sprays are always there in my bag. So this is like Otrivin Fast Relief. This is always there. Like this has to be there. Like no other medicine if I carry, but I generally tend to, if I just go into an AC area from the very hot area, I tend to get my nose blocked. So I generally keep this. So these are the three things in my small pocket. I'll keep it there, only back again, or else I have to do the job again. Okay, let's jump onto the behind small pocket. Now I have some eatables. I always keep something to eat in my bag. So these are some Cafe Coffee Day lemon burst cookies. Now these cookies are amazing, guys. It has a lemon cream inside and it's yum, and combination of chocolate and lemon is also good. You should try. So this is like, this keeps changing, it depends what I get, but this is like I have stocked up, so I've been carrying this. And then I have a pen in my bag. This is mandatory. Anytime you need to write, sign or anything, you should have a pen. And then I have some money. I have a habit of dropping money here and there in my bags, and whenever I do these kind of things, then I realize, oh my god, I have accumulated a lot of money here and there. And then I have some cards, and then I have some cards. This is like all those, in random dumping in the bag which keeps happening. And then I have some toffees also. Then I have some candies. So this section is basically all eatables and some random money, which I'm going to keep the money back again. So I'm rich. I realized I have some money. Okay, let's jump onto the main section. Now main section mein I have my wallet. Now this is my holy grail wallet, if I would call it as. I have been using this wallet now past 8 years. 8 years, yeah. And this is from High Design, amazing wallet. And then I have some cards, and then I have my mother's photo, and then I have some money, and then some debit cards, some membership cards and all that. All that we should not get into all that. Oh, and then I have some money. I'm not a person who carries a lot of wallets outside, because if I'm carrying my sling bag, I generally take out everything and keep it in that. But if I'm carrying my handbag, I need to have my wallet in place. So this is there. Okay. Let's move on. Okay, next I have a writing pad. The writing pad differs, but this is like, I finish it off and then I buy a new one and keep it in my bag. Why do I keep a writing pad? Because when I'm getting bored at some place like an airport or something, and I have something in my mind, I just want to write it somewhere. So these writing pads help me. And even if I want to just write and give it to someone, a piece of paper, generally I keep a writing pad it is like a handy stuff for you, so that is why I keep it. Next is a pouch. Now this is a pouch which has my random makeup. Now this doesn't have my wholesome makeup in it, but has some of my makeup. Like I have a wipe in it. I'm not going to show you everything in this because I'm going to do a separate video where I'm going to share what's in my makeup bag when I'm traveling. So that will be coming up soon. Definitely I'm trying to film it today, so you will end up seeing me in the same vlog. Just informing you prior. So this is like a L'Oreal wipe. Any wipe you can carry. And then some random stuff like my pressed powder, my some kajal, some lipsticks, and a bronzer. So all these some random stuff in my makeup bags pouch I carry. So I'll show you that later what all is there. So because there are a lot of things, and then the concept will totally change. I will jump from what's in my bag to what's in my makeup bag, so I don't want to do that. Okay, that's the pouch. Next I carry my glasses. Now these are my glasses. Now most of you have asked me my glasses, like when I wear them, I'll show you. When I wear them, this blue effect comes on my lashes. Like how? Have I done anything to my glasses? No, my glasses are made like that. They come a little expensive. It's into the Crisal's ones only, the Crisal company only. These glasses itself will cost you around 6 grand because they are like wholesome glasses and they don't get scratches, they don't break, and a lot of other things are done. So I generally get my glasses like that. Like I don't have to, redo it again and again. So these are those kind of, so whenever I in a different lighting, the lashes shades change by itself. So that's a very good thing because whenever I wear my glasses, a lot of people ask me. So this is the story behind the glasses. Okay, next is a face wash. It's a must for my, like if I'm traveling, I need to have a face wash anyhow, because even if I'm wearing a makeup, I want to remove it and wash my face and redo it again. But face wash is like mandatory. So this is my Revlon Touch and Glow. If you remember, this is my holy grail face wash apart from the face washes I've been using, but this is like standard, always there with me. Next is a fragrance. Now I'm just randomly taking out things. This is my Bodyshop Strawberry Body Mist. Perfect body mist to carry. If you're a person who doesn't like perfume, you will definitely like a mist, I feel. And this is like an amazing one which I love using, and the bottle size is also concise. I like it. Like this is like a all-in-one kind of a fragrance for me, because whenever I put this, it mingles with my body heat and gives me a right amount of fragrance and the way I like it. So it really works amazing and wonderful for me. So you should try this. Okay, next is my earphones. Now earphones can vary. I have the red ones also. These are the blue ones. These are by Boat. They are available on Amazon. The quality of these earphones are good, but they're heavy. That's it. Like the earphones are really heavy, but then the quality is really good. So you can buy these. These are really nice, inexpensive, not very expensive. Okay, now next I have a face towel which varies. Like I need to have a face towel because if I'm washing my face, I need to wipe it properly. I don't get satisfied by tissues. Next is this packet of tissues. Now I used to carry those small ones also, but this I had it and I carry this because this is really soft and really good for the washrooms and all I carry, because I don't understand how people just go to washroom without a tissue if it is not there, because there is a possibility then it's like the water supply is also not there, so you will be stuck in something really messy and really bad and really unhygienic. So tissues are must. Next I have some face tissues. That's also like, these are different than the other ones I showed you. And then I have some change in my big pouch. Yeah, Last product in my big huge bag was my comb, which is mandatory for any girl who's traveling for 3-4 days. You need a comb. And apart from that, we have the last pocket. The last pocket, I generally know what I will keep. So I generally keep my rubber bands and my clip. So when I'm out, I'm traveling, and never keep those big huge clips because I'm not definitely not going to tie a bun. So I carry this. This is like my favorite clip, and I know from where to buy this. And 2 rubber bands. My house key. There's only 1 key for my house, and I don't carry multiple 1,000, 5, 6, 7 keys. I don't need it. Okay. Then I have my ID card. Then I have my debit card. As I told you, when I'm traveling, I keep a lot of my cards in my wallet, but there are some 2-3 cards which I keep like handy, so I don't have to remove my wallet from the bag. Oh, then I got some money. I got so much money. Yeah. And then I have a lipstick behind. Whichever lipstick I'm wearing, I keep it in my last pocket so that I don't have to open my makeup pouch again and again. And then I have a clip again. So that's it. Yeah. So those were the things which I end up carrying in my bag, and this is now my bag all empty. I have removed everything from this bag. So this is how the bag looks like. So yeah, these were the things which I carry. Yeah, apart from that, I definitely carry my mobile, which I didn't show you because it's charging. So that's it. So these are the things which I carry in my bag. I hope you loved watching, because I loved doing and showing you what's in my bag. And you guys should also do it. My YouTuber friends, do it and show me what's there in your bag, because it's interesting to watch. So stay tuned for the next one, because I'm going to share what's in my makeup pouch, because that's the interesting one again after this one. So that's it, girls. I hope you loved watching. Sorry to repeat it again. And don't forget to subscribe before leaving my channel, and stay tuned for more such videos. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.